What makes biryani so special? A deep dive into its rich layers. Close your eyes and imagine the first spoonful. Steaming basmati rice infused with saffron, slow-cooked meat melting in your mouth, and the irresistible aroma of spices weaving together like a culinary symphony. That's biryani. It's not just food, it's a story told in layers, a tradition carried across centuries, and a celebration of complexity wrapped in a single pot. Biryani stands out in the world of rice dishes because of its bold personality. It's not shy about flavors. Each grain of rice holds its own identity while still blending perfectly with the meats, spices, and herbs it's cooked with. From the bustling streets of Hyderabad to the coastal kitchens of Kerala and the royal courts of Lucknow, biryani has evolved, but never lost its soul. What makes biryani so special is its method. Unlike a stir-fry or a curry, biryani is built layer by layer. Meat is marinated in yogurt and spices, rice is parboiled separately, and then everything is stacked, sealed, and cooked on low heat in a method known as dum. This allows the flavors to marry slowly, creating depth and richness that no one ingredient could achieve alone. And it's not just about chicken or mutton. Vegetable biryani, egg biryani, seafood biryani, all have their loyal fan bases. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. You'll find different versions across India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, the Middle East, and even Southeast Asia. Each region adds its signature twist, be it the smoky flavors of Kolkata biryani with potatoes or the fiery kick of Chettinad biryani. But biryani isn't just a meal, it's a social affair. It's served at weddings, festivals, family gatherings, and Friday nights. It's food that brings people together, slow cooked with care, served with pride, and always savored with joy. In many cultures, being invited to someone's home for biryani is a gesture of deep respect. If you've only tried restaurant biryani, you're missing out on the magic that comes from homemade versions where spices are freshly ground and every step is guided by family tradition. Even the accompanying sides, like raita, salan, or a boiled egg, are thoughtfully chosen to balance and enhance the experience. So next time you sit down to enjoy a plate of biryani, take a moment to appreciate its craft. Beneath those fragrant layers lies a story of migration, adaptation, love, and, above all, flavor. Which regional biryani has won your heart, or is still on your list to try?